Hi, this is Stacy Camp, and for quest number 6, the Learning Management System, I created a fake class on Google Classroom. And so here is my fake class. And you can see due tomorrow is quest number 1, part 2, growing your plan, and due Friday's challenge number 4. So if you go into this class, here is the stream where all of the announcements are. I can easily click here and share something with my class. I can make it to all students or a specific set of students. I can share attachments, links to my Google Drive, YouTube links, or any other relevant link I want to share here. If you click on classwork, I have this organized by all of the different assignments. So here are all the checkpoints, 1 through 9. However, we are missing a checkpoint number 6. I'm not sure what happened to that one. Also, here are the shares, 1 through 6. Here are all of the due dates. If you click on any particular one, it will have instructions. You can see links, who turned it in and who didn't. And then you can enter their grades here once they're turned in. There's all the checkpoints, the shares, the challenges, and the quest. And then here's another for reading materials and links where I would put all of the links into the material there. All of my students would be able to be seen here. And then once I grade and give feedback, all of the grades would go here. So any questions, please let me know.